Auto trends welcome, and today we dive deep into a car that doesn't just move you from point A to point B, but redefines what luxury, power, and cutting-edge technology mean in the flagship sedan world. This is the 2026 BMW 760, a vehicle built for those who demand authority on the road and serenity inside the cabin, all wrapped in unmistakable BMW presence. The first impression of the 2026 BMW 760 is pure dominance. Its bold, upright stance immediately announces that this is no ordinary luxury sedan. BMW's design language reaches a confident maturity here, with the large kidney grille standing tall, flanked by sleek split LED headlights that give the car a futuristic yet regal face. The sculpted hood, clean body lines, and long wheelbase emphasize elegance over aggression, but there's no mistaking the power lurking beneath the surface. This is a car designed to be driven by chauffeurs and owners alike, and it looks every bit the flagship it claims to be. Step inside, and the 2026 BMW 760 transforms into a sanctuary of luxury. The cabin feels more like a high-end lounge than a traditional car interior. Premium leather wraps nearly every surface, with exquisite stitching and optional cashmere or wool blend materials adding warmth and exclusivity. Open-pore wood trims, crystal effect controls, and brushed metal accents blend together seamlessly, creating an atmosphere that's both modern and timeless. Every detail feels intentional, every surface inviting to the touch. The front seats are masterpieces of comfort and technology. Multi-contour seating with heating, ventilation, and massage functions ensures that long journeys feel effortless. BMW's advanced ergonomics allow drivers to customize seating positions with incredible precision, making the 760 as comfortable to drive as it is to be driven in. The steering wheel, finished in fine leather, feels solid and reassuring, while ambient lighting gently adapts to driving modes, subtly changing the mood of the cabin. However, it's the rear seats where the 2026 BMW 760 truly shines. Designed with executive-class passengers in mind, the rear cabin offers limousine-level comfort. Optional reclining rear seats with extended leg rests turn the back row into a private first-class suite. The highlight is the massive rear entertainment display that folds down from the roof, creating a cinematic experience on the move. With crystal-clear visuals and premium surround sound, passengers can enjoy movies, presentations, or music in total immersion. Rear seat tablets allow passengers to control climate, lighting, seat functions, and infotainment, making every journey completely personalized. Technology in the 2026 BMW 760 feels effortless and intuitive. The latest iDrive system is displayed across a wide, curved digital panel that seamlessly combines the instrument cluster and central infotainment screen. Voice commands are more natural than ever, allowing occupants to control navigation, media, climate, and even ambient lighting simply by speaking. Gesture controls, touch input, and physical controls work together harmoniously, ensuring drivers never feel overwhelmed by technology. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW 760 delivers performance that matches its luxurious image. Powered by a refined and powerful engine, complemented by BMW's mild hybrid technology, the 760 offers smooth yet commanding acceleration. Power delivery is effortless, making highway cruising feel serene while still allowing quick bursts of speed when needed. The engine remains whisper quiet under normal driving, reinforcing the car's focus on comfort and refinement. BMW's advanced suspension system plays a crucial role in the driving experience. Adaptive air suspension reads the road ahead and adjusts in real time, absorbing bumps and imperfections with ease. Whether navigating city streets or gliding along highways, the ride remains composed and controlled. Rear-wheel steering enhances maneuverability at low speeds, making this large sedan surprisingly easy to handle in tight spaces, while improving stability at higher speeds. Despite its size and luxury-focused nature, the 2026 BMW 760 still carries BMW's signature driving DNA. Switch to a sportier driving mode, and the car tightens up, offering sharper steering response and a more engaging feel. It may not be a sports sedan, but it delivers confidence and control that remind you it's still a BMW at heart. Safety and driver assistance features are taken to the highest level in the 2026 BMW 760. Advanced adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and traffic jam assist make long drives less tiring and significantly safer. The car can handle stop-and-go traffic with remarkable smoothness, while active monitoring systems keep an eye on blind spots and surrounding vehicles. Parking assistance systems, including automated parking and surround view cameras, make maneuvering this luxury sedan stress-free, even in the tightest urban environments. Sound insulation in the 2026 BMW 760 is exceptional. Acoustic glass, advanced sealing, and active noise cancellation work together to keep the cabin remarkably quiet. Road noise fades into the background, allowing conversations, music, or silence to be enjoyed without distraction. The premium sound system delivers rich, balanced audio, turning every drive into a concert-like experience. The 2026 BMW 760 isn't just about luxury and comfort, it's also a statement of innovation and prestige. It represents BMW's vision of modern luxury, where technology enhances comfort without overwhelming it, and performance exists to serve refinement rather than dominate it. This is a car designed for CEOs, diplomats, and individuals who appreciate the finer things in life while still valuing driving excellence. In a world rapidly shifting toward electrification and digital experiences, the 2026 BMW 760 stands as a bridge between tradition and the future. It offers the elegance and craftsmanship expected from a flagship luxury sedan while embracing advanced technology and intelligent systems that make every journey effortless. By the time you step out of the 2026 BMW 760, you don't just feel like you've traveled, you feel like you've arrived. It's more than a car, it's an experience, a symbol of success, and a rolling expression of BMW's commitment to luxury at the highest level. For those who demand comfort, authority, and innovation in one sophisticated package, the 2026 BMW 760 delivers on every promise.